Hey my loves, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm gonna do a detailed tutorial on this glam makeup look. So without any further ado, let's begin. But before that, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell notification. I'm starting with the Pore Minimizer Primer. The one that I'm using is Tinted Perfection Primer from MYGLAMM. This primer minimizes your pores and creates a nice base for the foundation. Next, I'm using orange color corrector from LA Girl Pro Conceal and I'm applying it to the areas wherever I have uneven skin tone. This is a one brand makeup tutorial, so I'm gonna use all the products from MYGLAMM except color corrector and concealer. Next, I'm using banana powder from Pose to set my color corrector, and the brush that I'm using is RT200, which is from Real Technique. Now moving on to my face, I'm using HD foundation stick from MYGLAMM and I'm in shade Warm Sand. I love this foundation because it is super blendable and super natural with full coverage. This foundation is really good for your day makeup because it doesn't feel like you are wearing a lot of makeup or a lot of foundation on, and it covers all the pigmentation and dark spots that you have. For the concealer, I am using a full coverage concealer from Bobbi Brown in shade Warm Natural. I am applying it to the areas wherever I have uneven skin tone, like under my eyes, around my nose, to my cupid bone, forehead and to my chin. Now just blend baby just by dabbing in the product on the area that you have applied it. Take your time to blend the product because as nice as you blend, the outcome will be that, natural. Now I am setting up the concealer using banana powder from MYGLAMM so that it does not crease. So I am going to apply it to the areas wherever I have applied the concealer. And the brush that I am using is RT200 from Real Technique. Actually, doing makeup is really easy. All you have to have is some patience and practice. Now I'm filling my eyebrows using Superfood Kajal from MYGLAMM, which is in shade Indigo. And I'm only filling the sparse area so that my brows look as natural as possible. Then I'm brushing it using a spoolie so that no harsh line left. For prepping my lids, I am applying the same concealer that I have used earlier from Bobbi Brown. Whatever is left on the brush, I am applying that to above my brows as well so that my brows look more neat and defined. Then blending everything out using my beauty sponge. Again, I am setting my lids using the same banana powder that I have used earlier. So today for my eyeshadow, I am using Manish Malhotra palette from MYGLAMM, which has a really nice shades in it. I am using a small blending brush from Manish and I am applying the light pink shade from the palette to create my crease. All the eyeshadow brushes that I am using today in this video is from Manish itself. Next, I am taking the purple shade from the palette and I am applying it to my outer V and then blending it nicely. Next, I am using this grayish shade to darken my outer V so that it creates a nice smoky effect. So here is my tip: whenever you are creating any eyeshadow look, you have to be precise and patient. You need to keep blending until the colors are blended with each other seamlessly. I have applied the purple shade to all over my lids and then I am using the golden shade to create the hollow effect and I am applying it to center of my lids. You can see the pigmentation of this eyeshadow palette. With just one dab, I was able to apply this to both of my lids. Then I applied the rose gold shade from the palette to my brow bone and inner corner. Then I cleaned up my edges using some concealer. Now curling my eyelashes using eyelash curler from Vega, and I'm applying some coat of mascara. So the mascara that I'm using is Twisted Mascara from MYGLAMM, which is really good if you want your lashes to be defined and twisted. I'm applying it to both my upper and lower lashes. Now I'm applying the banana powder to all over my face just to mattify the look. Lastly, spraying some makeup fixer on my face to set it so that it stays for longer time. Now using some bronzer to define my face and applying it to very usual areas like my cheekbones, jawline, nose and forehead. Then applying some lip and cheek tint from MYGLAMM, and I'm applying it to my lips, my cheeks and to my nose to give it a really cute sun-kissed effect. For the highlighter, I'm using Spotlight from MYGLAMM in shade Champagne, and I'm applying it to my high points. Now to complete the eye look, I am using the purple shade to my lower lash line, then applying some nude Kajal to my eyes. It results in instantly opens up the eyes. Lastly, outlining my lips using a lip pencil which is in shade Burgundy. And filling it with MYGLAMM Liquid Matte Lipstick which is in shade Smash. To complete the look, I have added some jewelry, false lashes and created an updo. So this is the final look that I have created so far. Let me know your thoughts on it by commenting below. I love you guys so much and I'll see you with a brand new one. Bye.